And at the beginning of the session, she says, okay, I booked 90 minutes with you. And she says, I want to know about a soul contract with one person. And I'm giving you 90 minutes because I think you're going to need it. And it's my mom. I asked the guides what they wanted to do about the contract with Chris and her mom. And they said, we would like to do past lives. So then we moved into the second life. And in that life, they're married, and she is the woman, he is the male, and they are very religious. And in that lifetime, he has power over her as a male. He has power over her because of religious beliefs that she is to, quote unquote, obey. And she sits and looks at me. Yeah, Christina does in the session. And she goes, okay, I see similarities here right off the bat. And
Oh,
she
that's
goes,
good.
yeah. And she goes, because
Is she exhausted in this life by any chance?
yeah. She goes, continue. I'm going to ask you for another life. She says, this is really helpful. She says, I like how the guides are giving me the information that I need.
I also really like how it explains for listeners that when someone says to you in this lifetime, your current one, well, just let it go. It's like, bitch, this is 4 lifetimes deep. Like, I can't just let it go. It's in my fucking DNA.
Yes.
There has to be such a deep undoing and a deep unlearning. You can't just decide, I don't believe that anymore.
Yeah.
It's in your cellular makeup.
Yes. Thank you.
And that's not an excuse to keep doing it, but it's to understand that you need to give yourself grace when it doesn't happen overnight.
Yeah. Yeah.
You could be listening right now. Coffee with the Sarlos airs early for our patrons on patreon.com/the Sarlos.